It's not an easy thing at those days for me. If it was I come from a household which had nothing to do with the art.
What would you consider your most memorable role to be, and why?
Of course, there are certain milestones. See, eventually, I think in an actor's life, there are a couple of milestones which people remember the actor by. So there are a few memorable roles of mine from theatre and from film and from Marathi film, which till today people talk about it and they still come on television. They say, "Oh, we saw this and we saw that." A film called Savat Maji Ladki, which was very, very, very popular even today. You also have more platforms. I think OTT again gives you a new lease in life. So there was this one film of mine which was Photo Prem, which came about 2 years ago. I think you should check it out. It's a really brilliant film. Then there's another film I got released last year, which was Shastri with Shastri.
You know, one of the memorable roles for us when we think of Neena Kulkarni ji, we think of Hangama. And that was such a beautiful movie. Even today, if I say your name, the first thing that comes up was she was in Hangama.
That's why I mean that when I said that there are certain milestone films which people remember more than the actor. And maybe Hangama is one of them also. Yes, definitely.
But you ventured out of these languages too. You just mentioned that you did a French film.
Yes. I did a French series and I did a French film. And I was this bad mother-in-law who had to speak.
I wanted to go through your professional career. You started acting a while ago. So what inspired you to pursue acting?
It was a hobby during my days. It was not a career choice which was taken on. I started with theatre. Films came much later. So I will start with what I started with. I started with Hindi and Marathi theatre and English theatre. And it was an extracurricular activity in those years. I'm talking about the 70s, 1970s. That was my extracurricular activity which I did.